reported so many times that we would like to meet the CM. You are having cabinet meetings at your leisure. Why can't the Congress see him? And if they are blocking us from seeing him, we doubt the very existence of Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Is that wrong to say that? Show him. Let us have a hello, one talk and response. Hello. We cannot allow anybody to run away with falsity. I mean, why would we not be allowed? Is he not our property as well? He is our property, the Chief Minister of the state of Goa. He is not the property of his family members. It is for the people to make a judgment. And these people are convening the meetings and herding the cabinet members of the BJP cabinet, the BJP government cabinet, and taking decisions which are patently illegal. Patently illegal. We would like these signatures verified for that purpose.
Which decision?
With forensic intention, we would like to verify the signatures.
What is the reason for doubt, sir?
We cannot be sure, but we have never seen the Chief Minister since he has returned either from AIIMS or from his hospital. And we are told that he has been lodged at his own residence. We even doubt that.